Is the GoPro Volta a grip, tripod, or remote? Yes. Ever get that sinking feeling when your GoPro battery flashes red right before the best part? It's like your gear is actively sabotaging your perfect shot. You're left fumbling with spare batteries while the moment vanishes. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop a comment below if this sounds painfully familiar.
That missed shot turns into creative burnout and missed deadlines. The stress of managing multiple accessories, grips, tripods, power banks, just adds to the chaos. You're supposed to be creating, not just surviving your gear. Imagine if there was a way to take back control and film all day without adding more clutter to your kit.
This is where the GoPro Volta changes the entire game. It's not just a grip, it's your command center. We're talking a powerhouse 4900 milliamp hour battery that triples your camera's life, letting you film all day without a single battery swap. One vlogger we know was filming a day-long festival. Instead of carrying a bag of batteries, she used the Volta's one-handed controls to power on, switch modes, and capture incredible moments effortlessly. When she needed a stable shot, she just flipped out the integrated tripod legs. No setup, no fuss. The wireless remote even let her get in the shot from 98 feet away. This seamless flow feels almost magical. Here's one way the GoPro Volta saved her day by combining 3 tools into one. Keep reading for the bonus trick that makes time lapses almost too easy.
The result? Unprecedented efficiency and focus. Instead of worrying about gear, you're immersed in the moment, capturing smoother, more dynamic footage. But don't just take our word for it. One adventure creator said, "The Volta is now permanently attached to my Hero 12. I can't imagine filming without it." A top tech expert praised its thoughtful engineering, noting the remote's virtually no lag. Even users are raving. One parent filming a soccer tournament said, "I can finally record the entire game without battery anxiety." They're talking about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have hours of power, a stable tripod, and full remote control right in your hand. From freezing mountaintops to rainy city streets, its weather-resistant build never quits. Thousands can't stop talking about this all-in-one filming revolution. So, which feature would save your day? The endless battery or the instant tripod? Comment below.
This is your chance to stop fighting your gear and start creating freely. Due to massive demand, the GoPro Volta is in limited stock. Join the thousands of creators who've already leveled up their entire workflow. Don't get left behind fumbling with dead batteries and shaky shots. If you're struggling with battery anxiety, this will change your game. Secure yours today and feel the difference on your very next shoot. Click the link now and we'll reveal a secret function of the remote that makes group shots an absolute breeze. Don't just watch, jump in!